Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be unboxing a 6.5-inch component set from ctsounds. I'm going to do this a little bit different. I'm going to take everything out of the box and lay it out real nice, and then I'll bring the camera in so you can see everything that was in the box. And just for the sake of making sure that I didn't put something in there that wasn't there, I will do a time lapse of me pulling everything out of the box. Okay, so here's a breakout view. Everything that was in the box I pulled out, separated, and just wanted to give you a quick overview here. These rings are, in the event that you want to use this style, the flush mount, you drill a hole that's the size of the outer diameter of this part right here, and then this slides on from the back side of the panel and then holds it in place. The other option that you have is the surface mount. That way you will screw this to the main base using these screws. One other thing I wanted to show you is the articulation of the tweeter. There's a little bit of adjustment as far as how to direct the sound from the tweeter. This also has it in the flush mount. You can articulate the tweeter here, and then you got your crossovers, and I'll show you a little more in-depth, closer. I just wanted to give you a breakout view of what we've got here, and then I'll get into each item more in depth. Okay, we're going to start with the woofer. It comes with this nice grill, ctsounds. It's a pretty good looking grill. If you're going to surface mount this into a box or something, you know, it can't go wrong with that grill. And here is the 6.5-inch mid-bass or mid-range driver that comes with this kit. It's got the push terminals for speaker leads, the embossed logo on the magnet. It's a rubber magnet cover. And then on the back here, it tells the RMS power of 75 watts, max power 150 watts, 4 ohm impedance, 6.5-inch Strato component. The website is on here as well. It's a black powder coated steel stamped frame. Then we'll move on to the tweeter. It's a 19mm silk dome tweeter. Something I wanted to say about that is, depending on the type of music you listen to, the silk dome tends to have a smoother sound, a little richer sound. If you have a metal dome, whether it's aluminum, titanium, you're going to have a lot more of the higher frequencies that are really pronounced. So anyway, here is the tweeter. Just your standard tweeter. You've got about 5 to 6 inch leads on here. There are no additional speaker wires, so you're going to be more than likely cutting off these ends that are already pre-terminated on there. And just to show you how these work, so this is the surface mount. The spring here just puts tension on the back of the tweeter, but these lock in. Let's see if you can see the locking mechanism, but there's a tab that I don't know if you can see that, where it clicks in, turns, and it's good. The flush mount, same thing. You just turn it, pops out, put it back on, adjust the tweeter how you want it. and the crossover. So to open this crossover, there's one tab in the middle on the top. If you push down on that, it comes right off. Just so you can see, there is a tab right here, and then 2 tabs at the bottom. And then it's a pretty straightforward crossover. You've got your input from your amplifier or the vehicle, your woofer output, tweeter output. There's no adjustability, so you just hook it up and you go. So then once this is mounted in the car, you'll put the bottom in first, snap the top, and you're done. Something else I want to mention is the frequency response of the woofer is from 50 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. The tweeter is 900 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz as well. So why did I choose these? I've got a 2005 Audi A4, and I have previously put these in a Dodge Durango, both front and rear, and I was really impressed with how they sounded. So I'm working on this car for my son, and I want to put these in. I know what they sound like, and I know the potential. And I also just want to show you guys out there who might be looking at purchasing these, but you're not real sure what you're getting into. I want to show you what's in the box. I'll be installing these in that Audi, and if you're interested to see the outcome once these are installed, you should subscribe and click the notification bell, and then as I'm turning out content on this car, you'll be able to see these products in that car. If you're interested in car audio, if you're interested in the 2005 Audi A4, I believe it's the B6 body style, subscribe. I'll be putting out content on that vehicle. Car audio, doing some upgrades to the vehicle itself. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and I'd be happy to answer any questions that I can.